That's it, it's on.
Oh, okay. Well, good morning.
Good morning, Michelle. How are you today?
Oh, I'm doing great. You know, Santa Claus left me a great Christmas gift this year.
What on earth would that be?
Well, actually, yes.
Is it going to be a surprise?
It will be a surprise. Something that all your viewers have been waiting for so long.
Actually, they have been, because I've been promising them this for a great long time.
Okay.
And,
so this is a 50-year-old gift that I actually received.
50-year-old?
1969.
Oh, lovely.
Yes.
I can't wait to see it. Would you like to open the door?
Let's open the door.
Just lift it up. And there it is.
1969.
I don't know what it is, but I like it. And I love the artwork, Michelle.
Yes, very nice artwork. It used to belong to a ski resort, and it's a NADA 6. It is one of the 811.
And how many of these 811 are actually living?
Living, maybe 300 or 400. Actually, there's a
I know
registry.
there's a list of them, isn't there?
Yes, so this is number 720.
Really?
Yes, and the transmission, the gearbox seems to be busted because there's no reverse.
No, it's all right.
There's no reverse, first or second, it appears.
Oh, that seems reasonable, that seems normal.
Yes, so, but it's got an overdrive.
Has it?
It does.
Fairly overdrive?
Fairly overdrive, yes.
Does it come with 3 earmuffs?
No, but it does have freewheeling hubs, which are pretty much stuck.
What, on all 4 wheels?
So they're not that freewheeling at all.
I saw somebody put my
Yes.
foot on all 4 wheels, yeah.
Good for trolling, yes.
Yeah, so we better get on with it. So, we're going to get it in the shop.
Yeah, we'll just slide it in because it's full of ice.
Yeah, it's a bit miserable day today, isn't it? Right. That'll do. Let's do it. Let's
do it.
Let's get it in. As the bishop said to the actress. So Michelle's fired up the beast. It's a 6-cylinder, but it doesn't sound like. It sounds like one of them's gone home. Look at all that. I'm having to put the camera inside because it's pouring down. So what I'm going to do, I've got my my pickup there, and I'm going to put the winch on it. I know, all right. So the horn works. I didn't know. I thought it was a petrol, not a diesel. Oh, look at my diesel doesn't smoke as much as that. Right. So what we're going to do is going to winch it back, and then try and drive it forward. What power? Is it in low range? Ooh. Ooh. I think there's something seriously wrong with this car. What a start to it. What a start to the day. Busted brake pipe, dodgy car. See, we put it in low range in 3rd gear because there's no first, second or reverse. Will it not rev up? Will it not? No, obviously not. Move the camera back a bit. I don't want him running straight into it. These 6 cylinders were notoriously bad engines. They were horrendous on fuel. And I don't know why it can't pull that in 3rd gear, you know. In low range it should be able to. Let's keep at it. Should I go again to see if Is it not going to full throttle? God, it's icy out here. So the first thing we're going to do is a compression test sometime today. See, the thing, I can't push it with a forklift because there's nowhere to push on the mat. Nearly. Yeah, but petrol now, is it? Did you put new gas in it? We've got a little leak line after. There's no gear at all in first. No, nothing at all in first. Alright, so there's no first. Keep going. Nearly there. I bet Chris Rea wouldn't drive this bloody thing back to Middlesbrough. And in fact, it's a good contender for the competition. I don't think anybody would steal it. Phew. So close. is tight. Because it doesn't seem as if it's got an even roll. Another couple of inches will get the door shut. That's good. Get the door shut, put the heater on. I'll tell you something, Michelle, that was the easiest half hour's money I've ever earned.
The easiest work?
Half hour's pay. Right, let's get that door shut. Let's put the heater on.
Should you stop your defender, Mike?
I will do in a minute. So, the beast is here. We've got to find out what's wrong with this engine and what's going on. There seems to be a tight brake and things like this. So what I suggest we do first of all, pull the wheel off, pull the bonnet off completely. And then it should be warm enough to do a little compression test and we'll have a look and see what the spark plug is like. In the meantime, I'm going to move my car.